The Pfaff Quilt Ambition 2.0 sewing machine comes with a fabulous warranty plus a printed manual. So I love the fact that you don't have to print your own manual. There is one in the box when you open it up. And then the warranty on this Pfaff sewing machine is what's called a 10 years, 2 years, and 1 year. So you do want to register your machine at pfaff.com. And so what does it cover? So your 10-year warranty is really just all the parts mechanical on the machine if there was any defects while you were running it. They'll take care of it. Number two, the circuit boards are covered under the 2-year plan. And then 1 year on just the machine itself. So if you need any help, once again, contact your local Pfaff store and they are guaranteeing that they will service the machine within the first year included, and you don't have to worry about anything. But I would recommend that you start to get in the habit of having your machine serviced once a year, because that really will help keep the machine running in top-notch condition. If you wait 5 years to have it serviced, you're going to, number one, not have a fun 5 years, because things are going to get dried up and not run smooth. So it's better to have the machine serviced on a regular basis, and then these problems will never arise. Another thing about your circuit boards, make sure you plug your machine into at least a surge protector, better yet a battery backup. That's what I'm plugged into right now. It is summertime as I'm doing this particular round of videos, so we've got air conditioners running and a lot of things that can play havoc on circuit boards. And something like a battery backup is a great way to not have to worry about needing any part of this warranty and the hassle of not having your machine while it's getting all updated and replaced. So take a minute, register your machine at the website, and then everything that we're going through is in the manual. I think a manual makes a lot more sense after you've watched some of these videos. It's a great reference tool for just kind of reminding yourself, oh yes, that button is right here and this is what it does. So let's get back to doing all the videos, and keep your manual close by. Great place to take notes as well.